All right. Gonna do a cold start. As you can see here, exhaust is cold. You can see that. Haven't started this up in like maybe a week or so. All right. All right. We'll give it about one pump. Fires right up. Listen to that thing. It was raining, don't worry. It was raining a little bit earlier, so don't think it's me. Yeah. Fuel pressure looks good. Yep. It looks pretty good so far. Alright, I'm gonna start recording once it gets a little bit warmer. Once the oil and coolant gets a little bit more warmer. So yeah. By the way, oil pressure, that's okay because I have it disconnected. So don't think there's something wrong with my car. I just have it disconnected. There's nothing plugged in right now.